It's not possible to throw it and make your character and make them speak using free AI tools. No complicated software, no need of having learning animation, need of know how to draw everything in it's free and it's simple. In this, I'm going to show you how you're going to create your character and make them speak of what we are watching now using 3 simple steps. Hey, and subscribe to the channel, do it to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with others. Amy Shine are going to do. Also go to really like GPT, GPT, the free version of it. Can see first like what can I help you with? Let's go to the image creator because you want to create image. If you don't already have it in your video, you can just search, go to GPT and search it because I already have image generator. Let me press it. I'm using my phone. Okay, now this is the image generator. So the net photo because I want to create an image just like me. It will look like me. So I'll have to put my own photo there. Just click on this plus. Add from app, take a photo. You can take your photo or add a photo. Let me add filter a photo from my gallery. Now let me already put my hand to use. You still create a 3D cartoon animation cartoon with using glass. I want it to be using glass. Wearing a yellow cloth, sitting on a YouTube studio background with a microphone, make it a YouTube video size 16:9. I put it that I want it to be that size because if I didn't put that size, can you just click any size for me? So I want it to be, I don't want it small, so I want 16:9 for let's say. Look, our image is ready now. Today, can't the image is ready now. I will give us some options. So you can play the picture with a forensic high-tech lab thing. Add animated growing effect to AI transform, generate imaginary art. So, let me tell you, this is 3D. Calculate to cartoon art. Any image you want to create, I can create a realistic image. I don't want to use 2D. Yeah, you can sell. I want to create it again. I want to
Kasi I mean it's a face now consuming it's ready. This one to your glasses. That's the hair transform. The cartoon wherever you like it this was ready. Another one I didn't indicate glasses. Here's one with glasses so you can use anyone. So I subscribe button. Check the 3 images. You can see the episode that you know what you like, download it. They can write this out. Just so make sure you download it to your device. Just click on the from the now see the way it says that the download site. So click on it and download it. So we are done with that now. So let's go to the second step. That is creating a voiceover. Now before we go to the next step, make sure you download the image that I want to use. Download it. Just click on the download it. No. I'm using this one. I'm going to download this one. Next step is how to generate our voiceover. And for that, I'm going to be using TTS online. It's free online. It's free. And get the only TTS maker. Let's choose the third one. This one. Better. Let's just this. Free get to stage. Online free get to stage. I want type. You want to create. You want it to say yeah. I'm gonna don't type whatever you want to type. Just pick any voice that you want. Just take this one area.
The life that you are living now is also a dream of millions. So always be satisfied with your life. Be happy in every moment of life.
And I want to show music. I like that. You do everything like that. Let's just convert. Because I'm not live, you'll be showing about steps. Contact now. Download it. You are gonna download it. So third one is now to make it speak. I'm going to be using an app. I just saw you send credit and it's called Dream Face. I use the online one, or if you want to download it, just go to your Play Store. Download aside from doing face download it. It's good to use. That's what I use to generate the video you're using now. That's what I use. And it's free. It doesn't have watermark. But like that. Okay. Now what do you want to do? And do video link sync, photo link sync, one foot take our photo, just click on it. You don't the free one, no. No. Use the one I use video. Let me the one I just downloaded now. Okay. Oh, that's change. So now, next thing for the voice. It add script. How to import our script. So file. What you want to do it now? Explic it. Process. So
Creating and animating your character is now free and easy to use. Subscribe for more.
see 30 seconds. Look at this. Very good. Do 30 seconds. So very, very good. Now, how about that? Changing back our avatar back. This is free to the can keep doing them. It's free. So let's change it back. I'll change that back now. So what you need just to do is animate it. If you know, because it's free, it will take a while. So and polish that showing it's better than most AI. Even Hydra AI now, they don't have free versions again. I tried it, they don't have free versions again. You have to pay. So these are a very good alternatives. Just go to your Play Store, download it. Or your Play Store, start using it. You need to wait. Just go and continue doing it. When it's ready, just go and check and you see it.
Creating and animating your character is now free and easy to use. Subscribe. Creating and animating your character is now free to use. Subscribe for more. Creating and animating your character is now free to use. Subscribe for more. Creating and animating your character is now free and easy to use. Subscribe for more. Creating and animating your character
It's answered for the frequency. Now it is now ready to good on it. Character and now
Creating and animating your character is now free and easy. If have gotten value from this video, do well to subscribe, like and share.